guys, it is time for maths, and last week we've talked about counting by twos and counting by tens. Do you remember what I've told you last week? What are we going to do this week? Who remembers? We're going to learn how to count by fives. Okay, I've got some blocks here. Can you see them? Here are some blocks and I just took them out of the box and I put them here. But now I want to know how many blocks do I have here. I can count them one by one. We've done that before. We know that it takes lots of time. So how can I do that faster and easier? I can count them by twos, so I can make groups of 2 blocks, right? I can do that. Maybe I can even make groups of tens. But now I want to see if I can make groups of 5 blocks. Let's see if I can do that. So I will have to put, I hope that you can see it. 2, 4, 5. 4 and 5. 5. 5. Okay, that was nice. I was able to make groups of 5. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? I've made 4 groups of 5 blocks. 5 blocks. Okay. But now I still don't know how to count them. How can I do this fast? We have to count them, yeah? So we know that each group contains 5 blocks. Okay, let's see. So if we know that this group has 5 blocks and this one too, how many blocks would these 2 groups be together? That is 5 plus 5. That makes how many blocks? 10. So 10. I add 5 blocks. That makes 10 plus 5 is 15. And I add 5 more blocks makes 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. That's already counting by fives. Can you help me? 5, 10, 15, 20. Good job. So, if we have 20 blocks here, how can I do that at this number line? If I want to count by fives, you see that there are 20 numbers on this number line, but I want to count faster. I want to do it by fives. So I will start here and I will jump 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's do it together. I want to hear you. 5, 10, 15, 20. I skip 5 numbers. I skip all these numbers to arrive to 5. I skip all those numbers to arrive to 10. I skip all the numbers to arrive to 15 and to 20. Easy or easy? So, what can you do if you want to count by fives? You can make groups. For example, you can make groups with blocks, you can make groups with something else. Maybe you can try it at home. Do you have something at home? For example, I don't know, little balls or something else like little blocks. And can you make 4 groups of 5 of those things? So, I don't know, you choose whatever you want. maybe some pencils, for example, and you make small groups of 5 each. And then you can count. You can count 5, 10, 15, 20. Just like what we did here with the blocks and what we did here with the number line. Can you do that? I really want to see that. So go and find something at home and make groups of 5. And then you go 5, 10, 15, 20, and maybe you can go even higher. I want to see that. So now we're going to do a little practice. This is called the elephant march. So I need you to stand up. Come on, stand up. And I need you to stretch your arms like this. Then you cross them. You pull them together like this. And then all the way inside. And let's pretend that this is the elephant trunk. Good? Are you all standing up like this? You don't remember? Stretch your arms. Cross, pull them together, like this, and that's it. And then you have your elephant trunk. So, we're going to do it like this. We're going to put one leg over the other. And we're going to count 1, and then the other leg goes over the other leg, 2, and so on, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. But the numbers who are not 5, 10, 15, or 20, you will say very quietly. So when you hear the 5, you go up. So the trunk of the elephant goes up. By 5, by 10, by 15, and by 20. Can you do that? Let's go. Are you ready? Are you all elephants? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh. I did it wrong. I made a mistake. It wasn't like that. Remember that we have to cross our legs. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's it. Can we do it a little bit faster? I think so, yeah? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. Were you able to do it? I wasn't doing this on my own, right? I hope that you've helped me. So now we are ready to do a worksheet, don't you think? Here we go.